So in the previous section, we learned how to import the libraries. Now in this section, we will understand the second data preprocessing step, which is importing the dataset. So let's go to Spyder. Now here, since we'll be writing the code to import the dataset, we'll put a comment that this code is to import the dataset. So the first thing to do before we import the dataset is to set up the working directory. Whenever you are importing a dataset, you have to specify the working directory where the dataset is placed. And this is applicable every time. Whenever you are importing any dataset, you have to set up the working directory, which is the folder where your dataset is located. To do this, first you need to go to the File Explorer here, as this is the window where you can access all the files in your computer. So as you can see here, I am on my desktop and this is the machine learning course folder. So let's go inside this folder. And here we have the data preprocessing folder along with other folders that we will be using later in the course. Let's open the data preprocessing folder, and this is the folder that we will set as our working directory because it contains the data file that we will be using for this exercise. So whenever you are working with any data file, just remember to set its destination folder as your working directory. Now to set this folder as our working directory, we need to simply go here and save this file. Once you click on save, this window will come up which will ask you where you want to save the file. So we want to save it in the same folder where our data file is located. So this is the folder for me here. I'll just save it here. Once saved, just go here and click on run file. You can simply press F5. And as you can see here, set this folder as our working directory for this exercise. So now we are ready to import the dataset, and we will do that using the pandas library. So first we will create a variable which is our dataset itself, and we are calling it as data frame equal to. Now since we are using the pandas library to import the dataset, we'll write the short form pd dot read csv parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis, inside the quotes, we will write our file name, which is data preprocessing dot csv. Now we are ready, and we'll select this line and press Ctrl and enter. So as you can see in the console here, the line of code has been executed correctly, which means that we have correctly imported our dataset. And let's go to Variable Explorer now here. We can see that our dataset has been imported and is available here. So just double click on it, and here is our dataset. We have all our columns: age, gender, customer ID, income, and we have the dependent variable as well, which is bank default. And we have all the 15 records here. Just note that indexes in Python start at 0. So the index for the first row is 0 and for the 15th row is 14. So just remember this. Indexes in Python start at 0. Congratulations, we have imported our dataset correctly. Let's just close it.